Good morning, students. I hope that you are all fine. Today, in this video, I am going to explain you some of the important concept of chapter database management. So let's move toward the list of the topics we are going to discuss in this video. What is data? Raw facts and figures are called data. Anything can be data. For example, any number, name of a person, name of a place, etc. What is information? When data is meaningful, it is called information. Overall, we can say that only meaningful data is called information. What is database? It is an organized collection of data or related information. For example, dictionary and telephone directory is the example of database. Dictionary is a common example of database because in dictionary, words are stored in alphabetically order. Therefore, it is very easy for us to search the meaning of a word in dictionary. Telephone directory is another example of database because in telephone directory, telephone number of subscriber are stored in area-wise alphabetically order. Therefore, it is very easy for us to search the telephone number of a particular subscriber in telephone directory. What is database system? A database system is typically a computer-based record-keeping system. So dear student, a computer-based record-keeping system is also called database system. Advantages of using database system. A typical file processing system suffers from major limitations like data redundancy, data inconsistency, unshareable data, unsecured data, etc. On the other hand, database system overcomes all these limitations and ensures continuous efficiency. Some of the advantages provided by database systems are reduced data redundancy, controlled data inconsistency, shared data, secured data, and modification of data is possible using database system. What is data redundancy? Duplication of data is called data redundancy. What is data inconsistency? Data inconsistency occurs when similar data is kept in different formats in more than one file. So dear students, data inconsistency occurs when similar data is kept in different formats in more than one file. Thank you. Have a nice day.